Hello students, myself Narayan Sore. Today we'll discuss a topic hemodialysis. Okay? Yes, what is meant by hemodialysis? First, we'll discuss artificial kidney. Okay? Artificial kidney is the device, yes, it is used for the patient to purify the blood. Okay? Yes, when a patient or some person when having the problem of kidney failure. Okay, yes, kidney failure in the sense that due to some infection, we know that yes, in our body that toxic substances are continuously accumulated. Okay, if these substances that our kidneys allows for a longer time, then yes, such condition that we call as the kidney failure. And yes, for that particular person or that patient, yes, there is a need of artificial kidney. Okay, and yes, this artificial kidney, yes, it is purifying the blood of that person. Okay, and if suppose such person, yes, which is using the artificial kidney for the process of that purifying the blood, then that person it is called as on dialysis. Then such person it is called as on dialysis. Yes, when it is called as dialysis, see, when a person using the artificial kidney for the purifying blood, yes, periodically, yes, then such person or that patient it is called as on dialysis. Okay, and the process of purifying blood by an artificial kidney, yes, so this process it is called as hemodialysis. Yes, it is called as hemodialysis. Okay, yes, see the process of hemodialysis. Yes, it is very, see, in a systematic way, see here, the first of all, that patient, when visit any hospital or the doctor, then that blood of the patient, yes, the blood of the patient through their arteries, okay, through their arteries, yes, it is that we suppose can taken, okay, yes, in the temperature and that blood that we cooled, the temperature that is 0 degree Celsius. Yes, we have to cool that blood. Okay, because that blood that taken from the patient body. Okay, and yes, that blood it is mixed with heparin. Yes, this blood is mixed with heparin. What is the role of heparin when we mix into the blood? Yes, it acts as an anticoagulant. Okay, it prevents from coagulation. Yes, it prevents from the coagulation of the blood. So that's why there is a need of, there is a mixing of heparin. Okay, and after this mixing, now see this blood, yes, it is pumped. This blood, yes, it is pumped, or we can say it is that we insert into an artificial kidney that we also called as the dialyzing machine. Yes, and this dialyzing machine which contain a dialyzing solution. Okay, our dialyzer. Yes, it is a system of tubes. It is a system of tubes. I will show you. See here. Yes. So this is a system of tubes. Okay. Yes. So after the pumping blood into that artificial kidney or dialyzing machine, yes. So this dialyzing machine or the tubes which containing isotonic solution for salt, yes, for water and glucose with blood plasma, yes, which having the same concentration with the blood plasma, okay, for the salt, water and the glucose. Okay, and after this blood, yes, it is moving into the tubes of the dialyzing machine. See, the urea or the uric acid or the creatinine, these harmful toxic substances present in the blood, yes, which is diffuse out, okay, from higher concentration towards the lower concentration, yes, into the dialyzing machine. And from the dialyzing machine, yes, we have to separate them, we have to extract them. Okay, and after this pure blood, yes, the last one, this pure blood after diffusion, yes, it is flowing into that tubes of the systems, and yes, it is again warm to the body temperature. Yes, it is equal to the body temperature. Again, it is warm to the body temperature. And lastly, we have to again mix anti-heparin. Yes, we have to mix again anti-heparin to this pure blood, and this pure blood, yes, lastly it restored to the patient's body, through vein. Okay, yes, I will repeat again. We have to take blood of the patient through the arteries. Yes, that blood is warm. Again, we have to cool them at the 0 degree Celsius and mix with the heparin. Okay, which prevents from the coagulation. Again, this blood pump into the artificial kidney, which containing dialysing solution, yes, of isotonic solution for the salt, water, glucose with the blood plasma. And the amount which is present high, that is urea and the uric acid or the creatinine, it is diffused out from that blood into the dialysing fluid, and this dialysing fluid we have to separate. Okay, and after that pure blood, yes, it is warm to the body temperature and mix with the anti-heparin and restore this pure blood, yes, into the patient through the vein. And this is the process of hemodialysis. Now, one more question as per our syllabus is that kidneys can be transplanted. Yes, kidneys can be transplanted. Yes, if suppose patient, yes, they having the condition both kidneys are damaged. Okay, then we have to find the donor. And yes, donor is from our family, and yes, it is genetically similar. Yes, if suppose that donor is ready to give the kidney, then that person's or that patient's life can be survived. If both kidneys are not working, that patient sometime may be die. But nowadays, in place of that kidneys, yes, we are having the option of the hemodialysis, or that we also call as the periodical dialysis. Yes, dialysis means that is the process of purifying blood by an artificial kidney. Okay, with the help of artificial kidney. Yes, so that patient can be survived. Now, see, in today's session, we will discuss suppose in exam there may be question, write a short note on kidney stone. Okay, kidney stone, generally we have seen the problem in our society, and yes, kidney stones are nothing but it is excess amount of accumulation of uric acid or some salts like calcium oxalate, yes, are these main sources for the kidney stones, and these stones are soft, but yes, due to it arises in our blood, that is in the kidney, and yes, it disturbs the functioning of the kidney. So this problem, yes, it can be solved by visiting the doctors. Yes, but main source for the kidney stones are the uric acid and the calcium oxalate. Okay, so this is today's our session on the hemodialysis. If you like, then please subscribe and share.